Let's walk through how to get your first event live. Once you've signed up, you'll land on the Edit Events and Tickets page. Start with your event name, enter the venue and address, then set your start and end dates and times using the calendars provided. If your event repeats over multiple dates and times, tick Recurring Event. You'll set up your occurrences later. Once you save your event details, fill out all the other info to create your event. Everything is fully customizable, so you can add as much or as little as you like. Next, upload your event images. Add a separate event or header image by clicking the Delete Image button and re-uploading your preferred one. You can add up to 10 extra header images to show off your event photography, which will create an image carousel. Next, set up your tickets. Under Ticket Types, click Add Ticket to create your first one, then repeat for every ticket you'd like to sell. Tickets have loads of customizable rules too, so you can really sell it your way. You can choose whether to let your ticket buyers make a donation. At this stage, you can stop, preview your event, and go on sale straight away. Alternatively, you carry on with the following optional steps. Click Add Product to sell merchandise, gift vouchers or upgrades alongside your tickets. Turn on text message reminders to give your ticket buyers a nudge before the big day and earn on every sale. You can also add refund protection to let ticket buyers cover their tickets in emergencies. Under Event Settings, you'll find everything else you need: payment options, ticket availability, waitlists and more, all in one place. Personalize your event page by updating your call to action, colors, layout and theme to match your brand. We'll explore this in more detail in another video. When you're happy, click Save Event. Once saved, you'll land on your event summary page. When you're ready to start selling, you can click the Publish Event button or use the grey drop-down menu at the top of the event summary page to publish your event. Your event is now live and ready to start selling tickets.